Hey guys, Scott Hudgins here with Dodd RV located in Yorktown, Virginia. Today we're looking at a brand new ROCKWOOD floor plan. It's a ROCKWOOD Signature 8339 FK. Opposing slides with the front kitchen and the signature. Island, solar, auto leveling, king bed, washer dryer prep. Tons of options. Let's get started, take a look. Hey guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with these slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to in travel. Standing at the entry door looking in, you got your Andover and stone decor, dark cabinetry, your light fabric, front kitchen with the island, opposing slides. Great setup here, lots of room. Your side hallway, bathroom, king size bed on a slide. Your ottoman and chairs, got a countertop extension on the table, which pulls out, and you got a drawer. The chairs strapped down. The ottoman, as you can see, has storage. Your theater seats are directly across from the entertainment area. Theater seats have cup holders, charging area, cubby holes. Your Millersburg collection footrests. You've got all linoleum, flush slide. Heat ducts in the island, not in the floor. Receptacles, lots of countertop space. Trash can built in. Cutting board built in. All of your drawers. You got some goodies. TST, your tire monitoring system. That's a nice thing ROCKWOOD includes. Good drawer space. Pantries. Your 12-volt refrigerator freezer, and they give you all of your goodies in this book, nice and organized with your serial numbers, model numbers, all in one place. Pendant lighting, vent. We did 2 ACs. You've got your Maxxair fan with a cover. We mentioned the theater seat directly across from the entertainment area. Your TV is on a swivel arm. You've got more storage, microwave, large oven, LED lights, flush cover. How about a workstation here you can sit at, bar stools, overhead storage with shocks. Charging area. This front kitchen, again, automotive windshield on the outside. You've got day-night shades. You can black everything out. Charging access from the outside. Magnets on those doors. Lots of storage. And then you got water valves, access panels here. Okay, so then, as you can see again, light flooring, Rollershades throughout, nice backlit cabinetry, again with magnets, dark hardware, receptacles, trifold sleeper sofa. We'll take a look at that opened up. Here's the sofa opened up. So a little bit of room on one side, plenty on the other. Just like a standard trifold, you got storage. No issues folding these legs in. And the cushions will fit under that back, but you got the Velcro to utilize, keeping them in place. Then you got the side hallway, your VRV control panel, solar controller, dual zone thermostat. In the bathroom, you got a solid door, plenty of room. In the shower, again, I'm 6'5". I can stand up no problem, nowhere near the skylight, eye level with the shower. Shower miser, nice room around the toilet, and good deep storage. Second Maxxair fan with a cover, got your own AC duct, and then you got your heat duct down low. Good storage, lots of room around the sink, medicine cabinet, remote for that Maxxair fan, more receptacles. Another door. One thing I like about these is you got the magnet built in to hold that door open. Windows with your Rollershades. Lots of room here, and you've got charging areas. Your light switch, and you can dim it, and you've got your fuse panel and breakers there. Heat duct, that's your zone, rear zone reader for the AC. And then king bed, storage drawers, access. Look at that frame with the shocks, very well built. Windows on either side that open. Little tables here that you can squeeze your cord through for charging. Receptacles. Again, blackout roller shades, overhead storage. Receptacles everywhere. TV's on a swivel arm. Hanging storage. Washer, dryer, prep. Remove those shelves or more hanging storage. And then a little storage here at the back end. Access there. Outside. Lots of drawers. Soft close. Your brand new 2025 Forest River ROCKWOOD Signature Edition. It's the 8339 FK. We'll work our way outside. Take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside. 2 30-pound LP bottles, power tongue jack, 7-pin and chain holder, dual battery holder, rock guard, LED docking light with the controls here, automotive windshield and a nice front cap. We equipped this with slide toppers, your hot water heater, auto leveling controls, your water, winterization, cable, satellite, all in one convenient area. You got the black tank flush. Your back of the fridge for the winterization for the ice maker. Again, magnet that holds that up. Exhaust for the range. Another small storage area. Nice spot for the cord, which is 50 amp. Nice thick slam latch compartments. Back side of your hot water heater. Your furnace here. You got Goodyear Endurance tires, 15-inch. Easy access to the sewer. Your jacks with the large pads. The main storage is here under the bed. There's that outside griddle. Your quick connect hose. To the back side, there's a 50-amp hookup. Prep for a backup camera, factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. Right up on the roof, you see your 2 ACs, your 2 Maxxair fan covers, solar, TV antenna, top of those slide outs, those slide toppers. You've got receiver on the back, not for towing, but for bike rack, storage bin. You're looking at 300 pounds on that. Moving around to the campsite, you've got a hot and cold outside shower. We just saw that spray port. The hose that's on the other side. Little storage area here. Access from the inside. You've got frameless windows, full length awning here that covers your door, and then one on the front side of the slide out. Step above entry steps, fold up into the camper. Nice safety rail that folds right in and out of the way. Your screen door by Lippert closes that door for you, and you got a friction hinge on this door. It stays where you leave it. You've got the screen inside, the shade inside the door there. We mentioned the face of the slide with LED lights. Bring your TV outside. You got cable hookup, and you got LP connection down low there, which is for that griddle and prep table out here. You are prepped for a portable solar panel. Again, just going to trickle charge those batteries. And another little storage area here up front. Your brand new 2025 Forest River Rockwood Signature Edition 8339. So brand new floor plan. Just remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, slides in. As you can see, not much access. Well, technically, you can step over the sofa and you could get in the fridge if you open that slide, but not a whole lot of access with the slides in. No issues getting into the bathroom though.